Solve the following quadratic equation and find out the roots for the same. X square minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. Now comparing the given equation with the general form, we get the value of a as 1, b as minus 4, and c as minus 12. Now, what we have to do while factorizing or splitting the middle term is take the product of a and c. So ac we have here minus 12. Now, we have to find the factors of minus 12 in such a way that their addition is equal to the value of b. In this case, it is minus 4. So minus 12 split it. So there are multiple options of factors. For example, minus 1 into 12, 1 into minus 12, where the product is minus 12. But the addition of these factors, minus 1 plus 12, it comes out as 11 or minus 11 and so on. So what we need to do is we want the factors whose addition is minus 4 and product is minus 12. So we get the desired pair of factors as 2 into minus 6. So therefore, we can split the middle term like this. So x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x taking into bracket, we have x plus 2 minus 6. We have again x plus 2 in the bracket. So therefore, we have x minus 6 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 2.